This will be a little short video. I'm just going to do a full rack of pork spare ribs. This is the underside. Did some trimming on it, and I'm going to leave the rib tips on it. I just cut the extra fat off the back. This flap of meat usually goes along here in the end piece. So that's why it ain't trimmed up pretty. Got my trimmings over here. That'll go in the freezer for when I make sausage again. And generally I'll take the membrane off of my pork ribs. This time I'm gonna leave it on and just see if it makes much of a difference. When I do beef ribs, I always leave the membrane on because I have to hold them together. And here's the other side. You can see I didn't really worry about squaring them up too much or anything. These aren't for competition, this is just for taste. And I got the rub on there. What I'm doing with these, use a little Tabasco sauce, some Diamond Crystal kosher salt, coarse ground black pepper, and a little concoction of my own there. I'll do these things here with some hickory. There we go. And I put a little apple cider vinegar on them here. This is about an hour and 45 minutes in. And I'm gonna pull these off and wrap them up in some foil. Put a little sauce and put them back on our little finish. Gotta love having neighbors. A lovely dog barking in the background. And I got them sauced and back in there. These turned out really, really good. Just sliced them. A lot of moisture retained. Good smoke ring.